Getting the "Your organization's data cannot be pasted here" error? Here are 5 ways you can fix it. This is the Windows Club. This error message occurs due to a unique feature in Microsoft Intune Policy Management or MIPM that doesn't allow users to copy data for security purposes to an unauthorized app on the same device. This simply means the app you are trying to copy to isn't recognized according to the Microsoft Intune policy. However, in some cases, the error can occur even while copying data to an authorized app. In such a case, this issue could be due to an outdated version of the Outlook or Office application installed on your device. Here we have shown how to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. The first thing you need to do is update the Office suite. As already pointed out, this might be a case of an outdated version of the Outlook or Office application installed on your device. To rule out this possibility, you can manually update Office. Load any Office application like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. Navigate the mouse cursor to File menu. Under it, select Account. Next, below Manage Account section, you can observe Update Options box. Click on the drop-down arrow of the box to get the list of options displayed. From it, select Update Now. Method 2. The next thing you can do is make some edits to the file and then trying to save it. This simple trick has worked for many and should also work for you. Method 3. The next thing you can try is recreate the Office document. Create a new file, select a cell and then fill it with some color or make some edits. Now save the file in your OneDrive for business location. Once done, you can proceed to copy-paste your organization data into the spreadsheet. Method 4. If you are unable to paste on your Android device, then long press the spot where you want to paste and select the paste option. You should now be able to paste your data. Method 5. The next thing you can do is modify Intune app protection policy. We have shown how to do it in our blog, thewindowsclub.com. So visit it and learn how to perform it. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.